Chants echoed outside the Owen King EU hospital as frustrated United Workers' Party protesters gathered near its entrance on Wednesday, November 27th. They expressed dissatisfaction with what they deemed inadequate healthcare facilities and services provided by the St. Lucia Labour Party government. Fed up with years of substandard healthcare, the protesters demanded the resignation of the SLP administration. UWP Chairman Thorold Prudent articulated the concerns of many citizens, highlighting the critical shortage of hospital beds and essential medicines as pressing issues.
When you have a hospital system where you cannot pay for affordable health care, when you have a hospital, you have no medicine, you have no bed, it's a deplorable state here in this country. I've traveled the entire world. I just came back from most of Europe where I traveled with my family, and I have never seen a deplorable health system like what we have in this country.
He noted that these challenges had led to the resignation of numerous doctors, worsening the situation. Prudent criticized the SLP's emphasis on universal health care, arguing that it is ineffective under the current circumstances.
With our government, the United Workers' Party, we had a healthcare scheme, a healthcare plan that we were coming about, which is healthcare insurance, where we would give $75,000 to each person in this country. But yes, they fought against it. They made people believe that it was not going to happen, and to be able to replace it with what? Universal healthcare? This is wrong. This is bad.
UWP Deputy Leader Guy Joseph also addressed the gathering, emphasizing that the dire state of St. Lucia's healthcare system is not merely a political claim, but a sentiment echoed by healthcare professionals, including members of the Medical and Dental Association. He remarked that anyone who spends time in a local health facility can witness these deficiencies firsthand.
We were not the ones who said that healthcare is the worst it has ever been in this country. It is the health practitioners, it is the Medical and Dental Association who themselves declared that healthcare is the worst it has ever been in the history of this country. And the evidence is there for everyone who have experienced a day or two at any of the healthcare facilities in St. Lucia.
Joseph cited numerous citizen complaints regarding the lack of basic medical supplies in hospitals, which often forces patients to bring their own necessities. He deemed the situation unacceptable and called for immediate reform.
When you hear persons going for a surgery are asked to bring their own thread to the hospital to be sewn after the surgery, that basic things like Panadol, ibuprofen, gauze and plasters not available in your premier health institution on the island.
President assured supporters that under UWP leadership, the healthcare sector would undergo significant changes. He proposed a revamped health insurance plan that would provide coverage of up to $75,000 for all St. Lucians.
The first order of day of a United Workers' Party government is to ensure that you have enough medication in hospitals, that you have enough beds, so that we can complete the hospital that we started in Vieux-Fort, which was a state-of-the-art hospital, that we can introduce an insurance plan in this country where each individual can receive $75,000 towards the healthcare, and most of all, to put a qualified person as opposed to a farmer who is currently in charge of healthcare in this country. We will put a professional healthcare person in charge of healthcare when we come in.
The UWP leaders urged citizens to take action for a better future, demanding accountability and improvements in the country's healthcare system. Chloe Dantes, NBC Prime.